Everyone, and today we're going to be looking at how to transfer money from Afterpay to bank account. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from your Afterpay to your bank account. The first step you must know that we're using the Afterpay website method. If you want to know how to use the app method, please check out our video on how to transfer money from Afterpay to bank account using the app. We have the video for that, so please check it out. Now, in case you want to use the website method and not the app, this is how to do it. The first thing you need to do is go to afterpay.com and log into your account. Then select the account tab. Next, choose withdraw. By clicking on it, initiate the transfer process. Next, you have to choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Then type in the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details carefully before confirming the transaction. Now, you must know that you must have a verified bank account linked to Afterpay account. And then transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to process depending on your bank's processing time. Also, Afterpay may have specific transfer limits or fees, so review their terms and conditions before initiating a transfer. So please follow the steps and you'll be able to do it. Let us know in the comment section if you were able to. Thanks for watching.